Okay, so clearly there's something wrong with me. Well, let's be honest. There's several things wrong with me. I mean, we all know this. But yesterday I was cleaning out my pantry, because I've been given the wonderful gift of time due to my unfortunate layoff in October. Hello, looking for a job if anybody has anything open, remote, thank you. But anyway, back to our story. So I'm cleaning out my pantry yesterday, and this is just one shelf in my pantry. These were all buried in the very back. And it's really sad in a way. As you know, I have a thing about bacon for the kids and the hubs and stuff, but this is really, really, really bad. I mean, the amount of taco shells that we have, 3 boxes there, mostly 2 of everything. There's like 2 of the Reese's mixes. There's 2 Devil's Food mixes. There's a butter golden mix. There's a giant box of Bisquick, which I know I've heard there's some stories about Bisquick I need to be concerned about. There's a thing of Snickerdoodle cookies, 2 boxes of pancake mix, etc., etc., etc. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is one shelf out of my pantry. Does anybody else out there have a similar problem, like hoarding? I mean, I've got food like stored away for the apocalypse. The zombies come, we're going to eat. But does anybody else have a problem like this where you shove things way, way, way in the back of your pantry and then you forget they're there until one day you find them and you've got to bake everything all at once now? Let me know in the comments. And please throw a like on this video. Thanks. Bye.